People constantly find clever ways to make things easier for them. They turn ordinary tools into things with more relevant uses, coming up with faster processes other than the already fast process we normally follow. In the end, these easy life hacks are basically just using common sense to get through daily chores. I'm Mike with List 25, and with ingenuity, creativity, and sometimes simple practicality, these 25 easy life hacks you'll wish you knew sooner were developed to help you keep your lives stress-free. (25) Recycled uncooked pasta keepers. Sure, there are a lot of pasta keepers you can buy at the grocers, but why spend extra for those when potato chip canisters can keep them dry too? Think about it. These canisters are made to keep your potato chips fresh and crisp even after you've already opened them. So it's gonna work that way with your pasta too. 24. Chopsticks. Not just for sushi. This one may sound a little strange, but trust me. Don't you hate how your fingers get all coated with that orange stuff after chowing down on some Cheetos? Some may say that orange stuff is cheese, but I'm not actually too sure. Whatever it is, it's delicious. The solution? Chopsticks. It may even give you a hint of sophistication. 23. Heating up leftover pizza in the microwave. A small amount of water in a glass with your pizza when heated in a microwave can keep your pizza crust crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Sprinkling water on your bread before heating it can also keep it from turning tough and stone hard. 22. Finding missing jewelry. Ever lost a teeny piece of earring on your faux fur rug or in any hard-to-reach crevice? Tie a pantyhose on the end of a vacuum hose and aim it on the possible places where it ended up. If it's really there, as you suspect it, then the stocking would filter it while being sucked up by the vacuum. 21. Storing cleaning supplies. Not only are they dangerous for kids, quite often they get disorganized and end up in one big mess. A hanging shoe rack is one way to solve your problem. Just be sure to hang it on a door where the kids can't get to it, like in a garage or storage area. 20. Painting with limited mess. To create less mess, slip a wide rubber band in the cross-section of your paint can. It's less messier to leave the brush on it, allowing the excess paint to drip in the can. Sliding it on the inner rim of the can obviously will cause the excess paint to easily drip down the sides. 19. Crunchy taco bowls. In need of a good taco bowl but don't want to go out? Coat preheated tortillas with cooking spray and nestle them in between the 4 cups of the upturned muffin tray. Bake for 15 minutes and you'll have crunchy taco bowls that are evenly browned and formed. 18. Folding fitted bed sheets. Folding fitted bed sheets can be pretty annoying, and saying that 10 times fast is not easy, but it doesn't have to be that way. Follow the steps in the illustration and your fitted sheets won't be so annoyingly bulky after you fold them. 17. Organizing power cords. Bread clips aren't just for making sure your loaves of bread are still fresh when in storage. You can attach them in cords so it's easy for you to figure out which cord is which without tugging at them and seeing where it's connected to. You can have them color-coded or just write them on with a marker. 16. Tangle-free wires. Speaking of cords and wires, hair clips aren't just meant to keep your hair in place. They can clip on anything. With that in mind, you might as well take advantage of unused hair clips to keep your wires in order with them. With these 2 tips, your cables will be labeled and neatly put together. 15. Condiment tray. Rather than dealing with all the condiment bottles during a barbecue or party, muffin trays can come in handy to organize them all. You'll only have one container to put in all the mustard, ketchup, pickles, and the rest to simply wash and put away. 14. Pancake batter squirting bottles. Making pancakes can be messy and wasteful with the bits of batter just dripping on the bowl after you pour some on the pan. To make your mornings brighter and less tedious, use a funnel to transfer the batter in an empty ketchup bottle and just squirt the bottle on the pan. You can even store the rest of the leftover batter, if there's any, in the fridge safely with the lid tightly in place. 13. Hammering without hitting your fingers. By using a clothespin while you hammer in nails, you can easily safeguard your appendages. Done. 12. How to stack your clothes in a drawer. That moment when you pull a shirt from the bottom of the pile and everything else gets toppled over is pretty annoying, right? Well, here's the secret. Stack them horizontally. You're welcome.
11.
Heating food faster in a microwave. If your food is really frozen and you're in a hurry, thaw it for a minute or two until it's soft enough to dig a hole in the middle and push the food to the sides of the plate. Doing this will distribute the heat better than heating it in a mound.
10.
Saving old soap slivers. That tiny sliver of soap doesn't need to go in the trash. After all, it's still soap and it's still useful. Stick it on the side of the new soap after soaking it in a little warm water to make it soft and pliable so it doesn't go to waste.
9.
Chilling wine without watering it down. Short of using more expensive technology, freezing grapes and using them to chill your wine will keep it from getting watered down and still achieve the desired effect.
8.
How to fill a container with water through the sink. Ever been put in a dilemma of putting water in a pail or any container when all you have is the faucet in the sink to fetch water from? Place a clean dustpan under the running water, allowing the water to run from the dustpan down the handle and into your bucket. Note that you'll need to use a dustpan that has a spot for an attached brush. This could be the best use of a dustpan other than, of course, collecting dust while sweeping. Really smart.
7.
Opening blister packs. Prying open those tough blister packs can destroy your scissors and even possibly your dignity. Best practice? Use a can opener. It works wonders.
6.
Hands-free Oreo cookie dunk. It's not just an Oreo cookie that's best eaten after dunking it in a glass of milk. You can do that with other cookies as well. Stick a fork in the middle right through the filling and dunk it in with class. Remember, raised pinkies. That was more than pinky.
5.
Flossing cakes, cheeses, and other yummy stuff. There are specially coated knives that can cut through the moistest cake or softest cheeses and not have any pieces of it stuck to the sides of that cutlery. But who needs those when you have unscented dental floss lying around? Great for clean and even slices anytime.
4.
How to keep it from boiling over. If you lay a wood spoon across a pot while the water is boiling, it'll prevent it from overflowing.
3.
How to remember who borrowed what. This may sound dumb, but just take a picture. Besides, it'll make you feel more official. Tristan's stealing the camera right now. I have proof.
2.
Amazing egg yolk separator. If you're quick with your hands and you've mastered the art of separating the yolk from the whites, then good for you. Or if you've purchased those egg yolk separators in the market, then well, even better. But if you don't have any of those, then any squeezable bottle like a water bottle will work amazingly. Just squeeze the bottle, hold it over the egg yolk, and let go. The suction from the bottle will pull up the egg yolk away from the egg white.
1.
Grapefruit Cleaner. Have an extra grapefruit in your kitchen? Did you know that you could use it to clean your bathtub? Well, you can. Simply wet down your tub, sprinkle salt, and cut open that grapefruit and use it to scrub your tub. There are fewer harsh chemicals, it works wonders, and will leave your bathroom smelling refreshing. So, do you have any life hacks that weren't on the list? Let us know in the comments below, or tweet your answer to us at List25.
Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button on the bottom right and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these videos here or just head to our website at list25.com.